Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Isi-share ko po sa inyo kung paano magluto ng sweet and spicy crispy mushroom. Lagyan po natin siya ng salt. This one is flour. Haluin po natin siya guys. Next, lagyan po natin siya ng itlog. Egg. I-mix na lang. Then, lagyan po natin siya nito, jelly flakes. Fry na po natin yung ating mushroom. Lagyan natin siya ng butter. Natin garlic. Onion. Bell pepper. Ating homemade tomato sauce. Lagyan natin ng chili sauce. Lagyan natin siya ng tomato sauce. A little bit soy sauce. Yung ating crispy mushroom.
I want to eat that out of food.
Ito po yung ating sweet and spicy mushroom, crispy mushroom. Coffee po natin siya guys. Crispy mushroom, sweet and spicy is ready to serve. Lagyan po natin siya ng parsley.
Yeah.